Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about how we can insert a table in our presentation. So let's start. So I am going to select this slide and go to the insert tab, uh, left side above corner, and there is table. So here we can select how much row and column we want. Like I am selecting 8 row and 5 column. There is 8 into 5 table. So yeah, click on this and I am little bit resizing this. Here you can see in the left corner there is header row first column. So I am click on the first column. So there is also uh, uh, color is appearing on the header and first column, right? Now there is many design here. We can select which one we want. There is best match for document, light, medium, and dark. Which you want, you can select. So I am going to simply select this one. Right. Now we can go to the first. We will discuss design tab. So here is when we select the table. So there is two tabs. One is design and one is layout. So first we will discuss about design. So there is header row and first column, as you see that, right? So this one is default one, or you can select last column, so there is a color appear in the last column. So I don't want it. So now go to the save, and here is the design. You can select which one you like. So there is shading here. You can if you want any color, you can shade with that. And border if you want or not, or top border, left border, all borders, you can also select that. But I don't want any border. And also there is effect option. You can select any bevel shape. You can select shadow, and there is reflection option. You can select reflection. So I am selecting one bevel effect, like simplest one, this one, right? Also if we want there is no border, this is no border. And if we want this kind of border, if we can select this kind of border. Yeah, where you want, you can select it. Basically I don't want anything from here. Now go to the we are going to the layout tab, and here you can see the view grid line. We can delete any column or row which we want. Like you can select any row from here and you can delete this, like this one. I delete this column, or you can delete row. I'm deleting row, and you can delete the whole table like this. You can insert above a row, and there is a diagram itself showing it is a row, it is a downside row, and it is column left, it is right column, like this. So which one you want, you can select with this. I don't want anything. You can select from this, like I am selecting this row and this row. So you can select, we can merge cells, like I am selecting this, then pressing control and see what will happen, and merge both cells. Or so it is how this is this both cells are merged, and we can split the cell likewise. And if you write something here, like I am writing here Monday, Monday, right? I'm deleting this one, and now I am selecting this, like I am selecting this, or I can go there and so here you can see I shifted the Monday in the middle, so you can which one you like, you can prefer that. So where you want the text, you want the upper or the middle, in the middle of the column, or in the down line of the base of the cell. uh, so this is how you want text. So this is also a feature. So this is the height, and simply you can adjust the height of the table, and here is the alignment. You can align to the right, you can align in center. So I think I discussed one by one all the things in the layout and also in the design section. So I think in simple presentation you need this much of information. So you can simply draw a table and make what you want. Like uh, most of the time we will want a timetable, and we can draw here a timetable like here days, and there sorry, so days, there is Monday, Tuesday, and there is the time section, and you can use that whatever purpose you have. So I think I discussed all the things about tables, inserting tables in the presentation, and I hope you like this and enjoy this, and thank you.